Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here, and today I'm gonna take you guys into my house, and we are just gonna clean several places. My bedroom, we just woke up, it's a mess. The kitchen is a real mess because there's dishes and food crumbs, and the kids' room, I always tell them to make their bed when they wake up, so they try to make their bed. However, it's not how I like it, but I just want to put that in their mind so they know how to make their bed, or at least they try, and then I go behind them and I fix it. But I'm gonna take you guys to my home, and we are going to get cleaning from top to bottom. Let's go, guys. So I hope this gives you lots of inspiration, guys. I hope you can clean with me, or you can watch this and then clean later. It's up to you. But just telling you, no one is perfect. Even in a clutter-free home, we still get messy. There's food leftovers. The kids try to make their bed, but it's not the way, I want it to be. But at least I engrave that in their mind to go ahead and try to make their bed. And there's toys everywhere, clothes everywhere. I'm also going to take you guys downstairs to see how messy it is over there as well. But that's why we clean, right? We live a little and clean after. This is my coat closet, and with shoes everywhere, and the kitchen. Listen, let's get cleaning. So I love cleaning my kids' room because it's the least messiest place. All I have to do is make the bed and just put some toys back, and this room is all good to go. So I love cleaning here. This one is my daughter's bed, and this is my son's bed. They do share the room, and they're still little, so I do allow them to share the room until they're comfortable and wanted to have their own room. Then we can definitely do that. But for now, they're sharing the rooms. So I'm just gonna pick up things from the floor, make the bed, and this room should be good to go. As I said, guys, this room is very easy for me to clean because there's nothing much there. And this is the little library corner. I'm just going to straighten this up, and we should be good to go in this room. If this is the first time you are seeing my page, my name is Gladys. I do lifestyle videos, and I'm trying my best to live as minimal as possible. I may not be there yet, but I am trying. We have decluttered lots of things in my home. So far, it's exactly where I want it to be, and I'm happy with it. This is my bedroom, and I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed and just make it look clean. My husband is the bed maker here. When he makes it, you look like you are in the hotel. In my case, I just pick up and fix. That's it. But when it comes to cleaning the house, I am more detailed. When it comes to cleaning the bed, he's more detailed. But this is my simple bedroom. There's nothing much in there, and this room is all good to go. So I'm not sure if you guys have a landing spot, but for me, it's on top of my staircase. I just drop everything there and then take it back after. Yeah, I know it's awful, but it's a habit I have to get rid of. But we're just gonna come here and get this room vacuumed and get it all cleaned, and we are going to move on to the next task. Guys, do you vacuum even if you don't need to? Or do you just leave it like that? I have to vacuum, guys, just for my mind to be clear, but even if I don't need to. So guys, my bathroom is very simple. I prefer it that way, especially we are living minimally in our house. Everything is decluttered and everything has been minimized to just live a simple life. So if you wonder why my bathroom is so simple, that's why. But I'm just gonna clean the mirror and then we're going to move into the toilet and go ahead and clean that part as well. Old bottle of glass cleaner here, which inside I have bleach, and I also have a little bit of the Dollar Tree bathroom cleaner inside. So I made my own to just last a little bit, make it more stronger. And I also use old toothbrush. So this one is mine, this one is my husband, and I use the old one. So the red one I know is to clean around the sink and stuff like that. So these are new, so I'm new old one, so I'm gonna use this one around the sink, and I'm gonna use this one around the bath, the toilet ring, to get any scums and anything like that. After, when I do this, I rinse them and I keep them separate. So this one is for the sink and this one is for the bathroom. Let's get cleaning. So this is my kids' restroom, guys. As I was saying earlier, we went minimal. If you want a video on that, let me know how we minimize everything here in our home. But it's just for simple living, happy living, and basically saving money. I don't need to keep all decorations and everything like that just to keep. I just have what is necessary, and that's it, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and just clean the toilet and clean the floor, especially when you have kids, boys, you need to do that. So this is our coat closet by the entryway door. It definitely needed some TLC. There was too many shoes there. No, I needed to go ahead and get that straightened out. So that's what I'm doing right now. And ta-da, just simple and clean the way I like it. Now we're just gonna go to the living room. So every morning, guys, I come and I fluff the pillows, fix the chairs and the couch, and open the windows and the blind, especially in these cold spring days. We just need some fresh air inside. So that's what I'm doing right now, making sure everything is all cozy and new air is coming inside. And yeah. Guys, my kitchen needed some serious love. I'm not sure if you're feeling this way as well, when it comes to quarantine and being stuck home, I feel like I have more dishes than I should ever have. And that's my situation right now. What is it that you guys are doing to eliminate having too many dish loads? Let me know. Don't you just love a clean kitchen and a clean house overall, guys? We are done cleaning. I can breathe now. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. If you are new here, I would appreciate if you click on that subscribe button. God bless you all. Bye, guys.